Hi there. Are you a grocery seller? Do you want to move your supermarket business digitally and increase sales? TriDocTech visualizes your dream. We deliver all-in-one grocery website and mobile application with advanced features that boost your business and offer hassle-free shopping experience to your customers. Here is a sample front end grocery website where customers can easily go through various grocery categories. Check on with your store best selling products and other listings. User can select location and get known about the service availability. Apart from this, they can view product discounts, membership plans, and more. Customers can browse specific products here. Add to cart. Select quantity and continue shopping. The same method goes on with grocery ordering mobile application but with some advanced features added on. We do provide customized delivery app for drivers. So previously we had a short glimpse at grocery front end. Now let's know how backend plays a vital role in your business. Once you're logged in the admin panel, you will see various modules listed on the sidebar of the screen such as dashboard, catalog, orders, discounts, customers, promotions, CMS, sales and reports, settings, etc. These are the ones used to add new products, manage orders, merchandise goods and monitor performance. Here in the admin dashboard, you will have overview of activity widgets, customer stacking, site stats and order status. Each section redirects you to represent pages where you can create, modify and manage. In this catalog module, you can easily customize your online products that is to be displayed in the front end through these submodules. Let's say in product screen, all your store products are listed along with search filter option. To create a new product, click Add New button where a product info screen is displayed with details like product name, price, SKU, tax, description, enabling boxes, etc. Here you can add, browse or drag and drop multiple product images or video files easily. In inventory screen, stock quantity and availability is managed. In this section, you can easily map your products under specific category. Here you can customize your product's shipping such as free shipping or price enabling, return policy, etc. Here you can label products with specific brands. Product variants is the section where items are listed based on its type, size, color, and choices. Detailed specification about your product is listed here. Below here in the SEO section, keywords are configured to highlight products while browsing online. You can also click Existing Product for modification or enable details. Following comes Order module. Here, customer orders and their status are managed. Here, discounts are assigned based on various types and limitations. Here you can manage your store customer details. The benefit is that you have the authority to even add new customers. Here in the promotion module, you can promote your products, notify customers regarding new arrivals or discounts through emails or newsletters. You can also list customer and do promotions based on their interest. CMS is nothing but the area where you can add or modify your homepage layout style. Reports for sales, marketing, revenue are monitored here. Finally comes the settings module where shipping method, shipping price, shipping location are managed. So this is all about our grocery solution. If you are interested to boost sales and generate revenue, call us at 9940181721. Let's join together and succeed.